Hey there, folks. How's it going? Welcome to another episode of, well, we haven't come up with a name for the show yet, so just another episode. We spent the day yesterday just soaking in hot springs and looking at the beauty of this incredible place. I received the worst burn I have ever had. We decided to sit in those pools for a very long time during the heat of the day, and I was stupid enough to think that you couldn't get burned while submerged underwater. Quite the contrary. The white part of my legs is now extremely red. If I was wearing blue, I'd be like the American flag. Anyway, we're gonna hit the road today. We're just making some breakfast here. We've got a pan absolutely filled with bacon because of Merca. Merca and bacon are like synonymous, right? Yes. Megan agrees. Good. Yeah, so we're gonna head on out from here today, and we're going to go into Idaho all the way up to somewhere. We haven't figured it out yet. We're gonna kind of figure out what our route looks like when we get some reception. So yeah, we'll see you on the road. All right, and just like that, we're ready to go off to Snively Hot Springs. Those are bloody big rocks. Freaking huge. Look at them. They're huge rocks. Giant rocks. I'm so done with this. So done with four-wheeling for now. It was fun when it started. Well, it wasn't really that fun, but not everything always goes to plan. We're stopped here in Homedale, Idaho. That screeching from the back brake has just become way too bad to not do something about, so we're stopped off at a Napa, and I'm gonna pull the wheel off and pull the brake caliper off and see what the heck is going on and see if I can address the issue. Wish me luck. So Megan's run off to go get some aloe for my extremely bad sunburn, but I've already found out what the problem was. It's just one of the brake pads had this piece of steel that was touching the rotor and just making this horrific squealing sound. I just broke it off and problem solved. But I'm going to take off the caliper anyway and just check things out and make sure everything's fine. Okay, problem solved. I'm glad that I got under the truck and figured it out because that sound was starting to drive me nuts. I should have done it way earlier because it was just a matter of jacking the truck up, pulling off the wheel, checking the brakes, and finding the issue right away. You know, it's just kind of one of those things where, you know, it could be something huge or it could be something totally minor. Thumbs up for little wins. What do you think?
Cold River.
Cold River.
Much yes.
Much yes. You ready for it? Let's go.
What do you think?
think I'm super duper sunburned and now sitting in a cold pool and it's perfection.
Check out those sunburnt sausages.
Yep.
Oh boy.
They're bad.
Ow.
They're very bad.
This is pretty nice though. Oops.
We've done it again! We have found yet another spot that is most exceptional. Thumbs up. It is also very hot. Therefore we shall plunge into the water, cooling our bodies. It will be most exquisite. Yet another thumbs up. Why did you put your finger in my ear? I do not understand. Hi-ho, hi-ho. It's off to swim we go. It's very hot and I want a bath and I really need to cool off.
Well folks, that's all for today. We've found this beautiful spot just outside of Riggins, Idaho. And we're gonna stay here for another day. before heading on to Spokane and then to the Okanagan. If you folks liked what you saw today, feel free to hit that like button. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. And if you have anything wonderful to say, feel free to do so in the comment section below. Until next time, remember to keep on roaming.
He's the coolest.
Yeah, I'm a dork.